Stocks our strategists feel are poised to deliver positive returns are featured now in their top stock picks of the week.
We are going to end the month of July, as far as stock picks are concerned, on a very positive, strong buy note, courtesy of our strategists, Steve Reitmeister and Nina Mishra. Steve, we're going to start with you. This company you've talked about here before is back on your radar, MKS Instruments.
Yeah, this is a great technology story that just has explosive earnings right now and great upside potential. So one of the things that's going on right now is that the technology industry is leading the earnings picture. That's where the growth is, and all the stories we hear about, whether it be the Internet of Things, big data, driverless cars, and so on, that these are all technology innovations, and for which, what's at the heart of all these innovations? Semiconductors. So technology is looking great, semiconductors even better. The semiconductor equipment manufacturers are even the best of the bunch as far as what they're seeing. And so what we have here is MKSI, equipment and testing, top 4% of all industries, coming off a very impressive earnings report. And it wasn't so much the beat. They only beat by like a penny or two. It was the upside guidance. Guidance is flying higher by 20-30% for this year and next year. And the analysts are just falling over themselves in praise of how well they are executing here. So we got a Zacks rank of 1, always a good place to start. The style scores, most of them are in our favor with a VGM of B, meaning rounding up all the style scores. Got a lot of good fundamentals in our favor. It's top 4% of the Zacks industry rank. So here again, just wanted to keep putting the chips in our favor, but really saying the story here, the earnings growth. Things are looking nice here back in 2013, 2014, but now we really start seeing the incline, the increase in the estimates coming into 2016 and 17. That's what we call earnings momentum. That's what we want on our side. That's what creates explosive price potential, right? That when the earnings are coming up this fast, that's why the shares keep coming higher. So right now, given the earnings in hand, I'd say this stock is worth 100. But if they keep up this pace of the beat and raise quarters, it's easily north of 100 going into next year.
Okay. Nina, a lot of good things going on with your stock as well, Caterpillar.
Yeah. So Caterpillar is the world's largest heavy machinery maker.
Sure.
So they are often seen as the bellwether for global economic activity.
Yes.
And so they had to struggle with sluggish demand for the past many years. But now economic growth is picking up in most parts of the world, developed as well as developing. So their outlook has improved substantially. And they derive more than half of their sales from overseas markets. And another bright point for companies like Caterpillar with substantial international revenue exposure is the weak dollar.
Yes.
The dollar index is down 8.7% year to date, and it's at 13-month low. So that is also benefiting this company. So they reported, again, a big beat, both on the top and bottom lines, and also raised their guidance for the year for the second time in a row. And if you go to detailed estimates page, you can see that analysts really loved the report and upgraded guidance. The estimates for the current and next year have gone up almost by $1 each. So that looks pretty good. It's Zacks rank #1 stock with a VGM score of B and a nice dividend yield of 2.73%.
Yeah, that makes it all the better.
And the Zacks industry and sector rank, as Steve mentioned, that also we should take a look. So industry is in the top 15% and sector is in top 13%.
And momentum is A, so it's headed in the right direction.
Yes.
There you go. Do either of you own either of these?
I do own it in the income investor portfolio.
I have MKSI in the Reitmeister Trading Alert and in my personal portfolio.
All right. Well, thanks for that. Don't forget, as we tell you all the time, you can find out information, more information on these two companies and many more stocks, commentaries, stock picks, and stock picking strategies included on our website, Zacks.com. If you're not there watching this video, get on over to the homepage and begin the adventure. With Steve and Nina, I'm Terry Ruffalo.